Hi everyone, today we are going to learn read any numbers in words and say any numbers in numerals. Read the number. So this is we call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-digit numbers. So teacher will show you the simplest form how to find and read the numbers. So you should circle 3 numbers from the right and then 3 digit of in front. Doesn't matter if we have 2 digit also, we can just follow this method. So 1000. So the first vowel here is 700 and second vowel here is 1. So we should read the number from the left. So 700,001. So the second example here. So 1, 2, 3 over here and 1, 2, 3 thousand at the middle. So the first over here is 340. The second vowel here 20. So we will read 340,020. Okay, let's we see another example here. So just follow here 1, 2, 3 circle, 1, 2, 3 circle, and at the middle 1000. So the first vowel here 456 and the second one here is 893. So we will read 456,893. Okay. State the number given in numerals. 284,370. So, if we get numbers in word, we should find the word thousand here. So, 1000, before 1000, 284. So, how to write 284? 284. Here, 370. 370. 370. So we will write 284,370. Another example 312,021. Circle the thousand. Okay, before 1000, 312. So 312. So after the 1000, 12. So how to write 12? Just now we circled 3 digit, right? So make sure you have 3 digit also here. 0, 2, 1. 21. So 312,021. That's all from me. Thank you.